So I'm really about to do this thing. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So basically this is my first YouTube video. I will be doing an introduction of myself, introducing myself to you guys, as well as my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll basically be telling you a few facts about me, some things I like to do, and the type of content that I will be uploading. So my name is Tonian, otherwise known as T or Jojo for those who know me. I am 21 years of age. May 19 coming, I will be 22. Big up everybody who bought me, Taurus people. Big up on yourself right the start. Yeah. Another fact about me, I'm from Westmoreland, but I currently don't live in Westmoreland anymore. I'm living in Montego Bay. And yeah, I just recently did a 1-year course at Heart in HSVOP, Hospitality Service, Villas, and Other Property. I'm going to tell you guys a little about me. Well, first of all, me shy bad, and also I am fun to be around. It's from once me know you, me open up, me laugh and get you get to know that other part of me. I'm a person who likes to go out. I like to be adventurous, go new places, try new things and all of that. So I'll be doing a little type of that content as well. And also I kinda like staying to their times when I don't really want to go nowhere. I just staying lucky and worldly and all of that. So I will be focusing on a little bit of everything. From time to time, you see me do makeup videos, but mostly I'll be doing a lot of cooking vlogs. Cooking, like how to do a certain thing, and mostly I'll be focusing on Jamaican cuisine too. From time to time, I'll do farinaceous dishes and so forth and all of that. But I'll be mostly focusing on Jamaican cuisine, and I'll be doing a little vlog now and then, like day in my life, what I do on a daily basis, all of that. If I'm going on a little trip, I'll take you guys along with me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I did not really come to stay long with y'all. I just came to introduce myself and introduce my channel. If you guys would like to get to know me more and so forth, questions, and then I'll answer. So guys, this is the end of my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend. And if you want to add me on any social media platform, I'll be posting the links to those. Bye. See you in my next video.